Hey y'all, so we're gonna get straight into it. So on this video, I'm just going from red to black. As y'all can see, my hair red right here. And I'm just tired, when you start washing it so many times, it start fading, and I just want to go black because I'm finna be weaved up a little bit too. So I just want to skip out the hassle and have a regular hair color. So I'm gonna choose black this time. I'm using the Dark and Lovely box jet black fade resist. First, I'm just mixing the like the little cream and stuff together. It comes with gloves. I already sectioned my hair off into 4 individual sections, and that's the best way to do it. Combed it out, all that good stuff. So now I'm just gonna start applying the I'm gonna start applying the color. And don't judge my shirt, y'all. Sometimes I like to wear regular t-shirts, the ones I already messed up before when I do my color, because there's no sense in messing good clothes up. And plus, it's comfortable. I recently had a baby. She gonna be a year old soon, but sometimes some stuff just too tight on my stomach and all that. So anyway, I ain't gonna talk out of death about that. But I know y'all probably asking, like, why in the hell is she combing through this? So for me, I know when I comb through, it's kind of like when you relax your hair. When you comb through, it saturate the coloring a little more, a little faster. So yeah, y'all gonna see, like, by the time I'm through with this section, the section I just did, gonna damn near be black. So yeah, I'm just putting it all in there. I started kind of like, I don't know how to tell you. I was like putting the color on the hair and then rubbing it in. I also usually you're supposed to start from the roots and go, but y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It's already black already on this side. So anyway, like I was saying, you usually you're supposed to start from the roots and then go to the ends, but I started at the ends just in case I don't have enough color, which I don't know why I did that, because I didn't use this plenty of times and I always have something left over. So anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all the right way to do it. Like the box says, start from the root and then, work your way down. Make sure everything is filled in. I went back, because I kind of double worked myself in a way. So, as y'all can see, I'm just going back through there doing the roots, making sure I get every piece. Make sure you do your edges in the front, in the back, on the sides, all that. Make sure y'all get it good. Like I said, don't do like me and double work yourself. Go from the root to the ends, because this is kind of time sensitive. We want to try to do it in like 20, 25 minutes and then let it sit for another like 20 minutes. You don't want to have this color in there too long. So altogether like 45 minutes. But and I actually finished it in 29 minutes. I went over 4, so that's not too bad, but you just want to keep that in mind anytime you're doing any type of color. Like, don't have it in there more than like 30 to 45 minutes. Bleaching is kind of more time sensitive, because they can really break your hair off, but we not bleaching this time really, so just keep that in mind. So this is how it looked after I let it sit and rinsed it out. I'm putting this box moisturizer in there. You can use any type of moisturizer or leave-in conditioner that you want to use. I also, I didn't do it in the video, it didn't catch it, but I also sprayed some TPH leave-in conditioner in there, the Taraji P, yeah. And as y'all can see, it was amazing to me. I love the massage, the little moisturizers in. So now I'm just going through and detangling it. Of course, you need to do that anytime after you wash your hair. And this how it looks blow dried out. Boom.